another wonderful day.
Welcome, Bob. Great to see you.
Hi, Decker.
Hey, Bob, how are you? Good to see you.
There were 1,100 prisoners when I arrived, 10,000 when I left, and we never had a single person successfully escape, but I never gave up. I found this one airplane that had no damage around here, had some holes in it, but it was full of fuel.
How much did you think about the fact that there were swastikas on this airplane and you were going to fly it to Allied territory?
I suddenly realized that I was the most stupid and dumbest aviator that ever flew an airplane.
Jimmy Doolittle called him the greatest stick and rudder man who ever lived. He's known as the pilot's pilot. Bob Hoover is simply the man we love, our hero.
I know we're all excited to see the centerpiece of our celebration. Mr. Lehman, remove the veil. Can you see that?
The name of the winner of the first annual Bob Hoover Award is in this envelope, and that name is R.A. Bob Hoover.
It's going to take a long time to get the smile off of my face.